There's no end to Miele's flexibility. The new washer disinfectors, more versatile than ever before. A modular concept offers many different configurations, using baskets which can be combined simply and intuitively. More combination options with fewer accessories. Thanks to the new sophisticated design with just 17 modules, more than 100 combinations are possible. This reduces both procurement costs and storage space. The two highly efficient drying systems deployed on the new washer disinfectors are also highly convenient. On models featuring EcoDry, the door opens automatically at the end of a program thanks to Auto Open. This releases hot, moisture-laden air, allowing the load to dry and cool down faster. Models with Dry Plus hot air drying represent an ideal solution when dealing with intricate and narrow-lumened laboratory glassware and equipment. An upstream Class H13 HEPA filter ensures the reliable removal of particles from the air taken in for drying. The filter is easily accessible via a hatch in the front plinth. The range and variety of programs allows clients to use targeted cycles tailored to the degree of soiling and the type and quantity of glassware. Furthermore, users can compile their own individual programs. The new washer disinfectors from Miele, for greater flexibility.